Hello students, today we will discuss about parts of a computer. Main parts of a computer like monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Other parts like printer, scanner, pen drive, UPS and DVD. Okay students, like our body, a computer also has many parts. These parts perform different functions. The main parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay students, all the parts of a computer together make a complete computer system. There are four parts of a computer system. They are first monitor, second keyboard, third mouse, fourth CPU. Okay, now we talk about monitor. The monitor is a visual display unit that is similar to a television screen. It is display the work that you do on the computer in form of words and pictures. You can also watch movies and play games on the monitor. The monitor is an output device. Now, keyboard. The keyboard is an input device that contains many buttons on it. These buttons are known as keys. These keys are used to type letters, words and numbers. Next one is Central Processing Unit, CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of computer. CPU को क्या बोला जाता है? Brain of computer. It can store huge amount of data in it. It can do calculations and control all other parts of the system. It is placed inside the CPU box. Next one is mouse. The mouse is an input device with two or three buttons. It is a pointing device that is used to move pointer or arrow on the monitor. We can draw pictures and play games with the help of mouse. The mouse is used for selecting files on the monitor. Next one is printer. The printer is an output device. It is used to print out our job on paper. The printouts on paper is called the hard copy. Okay students, now scanner. We use the scanner to scan text and pictures. It gets display on the monitor. जो भी हम पिक्चर्स टेक्स्ट एनी डॉक्यूमेंट स्कैनर पे स्कैन करते हैं वो हमें कहाँ पे शो होते हैं, कहाँ पे डिस्प्ले होता है? मॉनिटर की स्क्रीन पे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ माइक्रोफोन एंड हेडफोन. The microphone is attached to the computer. In short, it is called a mic. We can record our voice, music and sounds into the computer. The headphone is used to listen the sounds without disturbing others. Okay students, now we talk about speakers. We can use the speakers to listen to the recorded and downloaded music and various other sounds from our computer system. Okay students, now हम बात करते हैं storage devices के बारे में. The main storage device that is inbuilt in a computer is called hard disk. जो हमारी कंप्यूटर में पहले से ही होती है, इनबिल्ट होती है, उस स्टोरेज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? हार्ड डिस्क. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस लर्न अबाउट सम मोर स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस. The CD or DVD is used to store our data. We can store in it for a long time. The CD is placed inside the CD drive and the DVD is placed inside the DVD drive. CD or DVD drive is placed inside the CPU box. Okay students, now we talk about pen drive. We can also use a pen drive to store data and keep it a long time and keep it for a long time. The pen drive is attached with the USB port. The USB port is placed inside the CPU box. Pen drives come in various shapes and sizes. Okay students, the pen drive is a small size and can be carried in our pocket. It can store more data than a CD or a DVD. Okay students, now joystick. A joystick is a cursor control device. We can use it to play games on the computer. It controls the movement of the cursor through its movable handle and push buttons. Okay students, next one is UPS. UPS is the short form of uninterruptible power supply. It allows the computer to remain on for some time when the electricity goes off. Okay students, these are the parts of computer. Okay students, now some short keys. The computer works with the help of various parts that perform different functions. The monitor is a displayed unit that looks like a television screen. The keyboard helps us to type words, letters, and numbers. The mouse helps us to point and open files. The printer is used to take printouts on paper. CD and DVD and pen drives are used for storing data. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपने ऑल पार्ट्स को अच्छे से देखना है, इनका डिफरेंस देखना है और सभी को लर्न करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स, हैव अ नाइस डे.